This is a lock from the sock. A master lock from the sock fence.
I got the chain.
He has the chain from it, and,
Now I'm gonna
we're
bust
gonna open it. See, look at it. Pull on it. It won't open. See? Okay, now we're gonna open this. Fly like an eagle. Boom. Wait, don't pick it up. First try, no good. No good. Okay. Wait. Oh, did it open? Show it. Still not open.
It does work.
It does work. We've done it. Did it open yet?
No.
It takes a couple tries to open it. We have no key, so.
Oh, shit. Again,
James. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's open.
Did it open? You got it loosened. This may be the winning shot. Nope, to land the wood chips. Oh, snap. I think it opened. Did it? Did it open?
No.
There. It's loose, though. It's on the merge of opening. There it is. Where'd it go? Oh. I think it opened. Wait. Did it?
No.
Crap.
It was open, but he broke it. Get it recorded, because this is going on YouTube.
Yeah.
Put it on at my house.
Oh, it's going. Oh, it's like he made it. Where'd it go? No good, but it's implanted in the ground.
It was implanted in the fucking ground. What the fuck?
Okay. This has to work. We did it before, twice. It's going.
Damn it! Fix it!
No, it's not.
Bitch is going fuck.
Dude, you do not know how to throw. Bring it back here. Did it open?
No.
You open it. Oh, yeah. Nope. Try it again.
Fuck.
We did this before.
Got it.
Oh, snap. Look it. Okay, that is how you open.
A fucking elementary school lock.
Exactly. Look at it. Do we have a key?
No.
Nope. Nope. Show me the key.
I have a chain.
That's our key. Well, we opened the lock, so
Later.
yeah.